All right, we're back. So, as you can see, I've done a wardrobe update. Actually having fun doing these. Got me flanny on all the way from Oz. So, step 2 of your Mindset 360 training is you got to start up an Instagram account. So, if you got one, you can use that. If you haven't, start up a new one. Whichever one you want to do. Happy days. Then, once you've got that bad boy up and running, you're going to follow some people. So the people that you're going to follow are Vincent Ortega Jr., Clifton Hatfield, Asia Roberts, and this is the important one, Destin Florida 360. That one is the one you want to keep an eye on. That's going to have all the behind scenes footage of the mansion in Destin, Florida, where all the cool fun stuff happens. Then you want to follow me, which is Damien, and that's 2_ Hinckley. That's on Instagram. And follow your sponsor. So whoever got you chugging along onto this, so whoever introduced you to this, make sure you follow them. So that's it. Bang, done. Step 2 done. Hope everyone's enjoying it. Peace out.